Good morning, children. Today we are going to start the chapter Optics, Reflection of Light. So first we are considering the word light. Light is a form of energy which gives the sensation. This sensation is known as seeing. Means energy is given to our eyes and our brains sense this energy and we are able to see the object. So this is known as the light is the form of energy which gives the sensation to see any object. In another way, I can say this: light is a type of electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic waves are of many types like radio waves, X-rays, gamma rays. There are many types. But there are some, the electromagnetic wave belong to wavelength. The wavelength which is under 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer, this type of electromagnetic wave belong to particular wavelength is known as light ray. So light ray, ray word. What is the meaning of ray of light? Ray of light means, ray of light is representing the propagation of light ray. When the light ray is propagating in any direction, we can say that this is the ray of light. I will write ray of light. Ray of light. Propagation of light in any डायरेक्शन. किसी भी डायरेक्शन में लाइट का प्रोपगेट होना ही कहलाता है रे ऑफ लाइट. आई एम जस्ट ड्रॉइंग इट. दिस इज द रे. When the ray of light is traveling, it comes from any source. There will be a source and the light is coming from this source and traveling in any direction. We can say that this word propagation, and this propagation of light is ray of light. That is the direction of light. So what is the ray of light? This is the ray of light. It is not like this ki whenever any source, then there will be only a single ray of light. There may be a different type of lights like this from any source, from any single source. So we will use the word beam of light. It is a type of magnetic wave. Wavelength should be 400 to 750. This is the reality. Now we will word when the light is traveling from source to any observer, or there will be no observer, then light is traveling. What will happen if ray of light is traveling in any medium and there will be a interference? When the ray of light is traveling and there will be any interference from source to any observer, then there will be three fades of light. What type of fades? Light is traveling from the source. This is the medium 1, and there will be observer. It is the medium 2. There is any interface. When light is traveling from medium 1 to medium 2, there is the interface So there will be three fates. What type of fates is there? Some light is going in medium 2. Some light is absorbed by this interface. Some is reflected back. So there will be three fates of light. First is reflected. Second is transmitted. Third is absorbed. When light ray is traveling in any medium or some interface is there, then there will be three fates. It will, some of energy is reflected, some of energy means light rays, है ना? Some of energy is absorbed and some of energy is transmitted. Total, when we will see, we are giving the name X, Y, Z, then we will find 100%. There will be 100%. Some part is there, some part is there, and some part is there. It will be equal to this part. So reflected, and we can remember this word with the help of rat. इससे मैं यहाँ पे लिख लेता हूँ rat. Reflected, absorbed, and transmitted. Three fates. So we will use now this word reflected, or our topic is reflection of light. Today we are just going to start the reflection of light. ये हमें कहाँ से बिलोंग कर रहा है? यहाँ से. तो अब हम पढ़ेंगे रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट होता क्या है. स्टार्ट करते हैं रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट के बारे में. आप लोग सपोज करो वी आर एंटरिंग इन एनी रूम, in our room, there will be no light. Then what will happen? We cannot see wall and any other thing because there is no light. Now we are just entering in the room and there will be light. Then we will see two things. One thing is this, कि I am standing in front of the mirror or before the mirror. I am seeing my image. And another way is, second thing is this, कि I am standing in front of the wall and I am not seeing my image. What will happen? What will happen? One thing is this, कि I am seeing my image in the mirror. But when we are seeing the wall, we are not seeing any image. Then what will happen? What type of reflection is this? So we will study this. So please subscribe the channel so that you can get another videos of this. Today I am ending my topic and next video will be reflection of light. Thank you class.